Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, ensure gloves and eye protection on, and work in a ventilated area. First, visually inspect finish and stamped markings to narrow families. Then use a magnet if it strongly attracts, suspect ferritic or martensitic; if weak or non-magnetic, lean austenitic. Also note weight and dimensions because density differences help later. Once done, log every observation and label the sample so you don't mix parts while moving to chemical or spark tests. Next, perform controlled tests. Use a grinding wheel for a spark test. Short, reddish sparks indicate higher carbon. Long, white sparks indicate different alloys. Then apply a small nitric acid spot or a commercial test kit to check reactivity. Austenitic grades resist pitting more. Make sure to measure conductivity or use an eddy current tester because electrical properties help distinguish 200, 300, and 400 series. As you work, compare results against your reference notes to narrow the exact grade. To finish, synthesize all data. Reconcile magnetism, spark pattern, acid reaction, and conductivity to assign the most likely grade. If contradictions remain, prepare a small, clean sample and send it for spectrometry or XRF to confirm composition. This removes doubt. Once confirmed, document grade, any heat treatment notes, and dimensional tolerances for quality records. If tests fail or return inconsistent data, reclean the surface, repeat key tests, and then escalate to lab analysis for a definitive answer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.